Hello, today we will discuss seventh experiment on C programming. And this seventh experiment on C programming is decision making and looping using for loop. So again in this programming we will see few programs, and through that few programs we will try to understand the working of for looping statement. So let us open the first program, and that is present in the saved file. So again, to open a saved file, here we will click the file menu, and from the drop down menu open option is selected, and open a file window. We select the saved file, that is EXP7A.c. This is the first program for the experiment number 1. Clicking the open tab, file gets opened, and again just to see the complete coding window, arrow on the right side corner is clicked. So complete coding window is seen. Now a comment in the beginning is written that write a C program to print. Programming is fun n times, where n is given by user using for looping statement. So using for looping statement, we have to print programming is fun n times, where n is given by the user. So as usual, we include in every program a standard input output dot and conio dot h header files, as these two files as function that we used in our program. Then within open and close brace of the main function, first statement defines integer variables I and n. Second statement clear screen clears anything previously written on the output screen. Printf statement prints a message, enter n on the output screen, and scanf function takes the data from the output screen when entered by the user, and that data is stored with the variable n. Then using the for loop, here for I equal to 1, control variable initialization. In the previous two for looping statement, that is in a while looping statement and do while looping statement, control variable initialization is done before while loop or do while loop, but in for loop here it is done inside the for looping statement. So first statement in open and close parenthesis of the for loop is I equal to 1, that is initialization of the control variable I. Then condition I less than or equal to n semicolon, and then updating of the control variable for the for loop. So all these three things are included in the for looping statement. So after initialization, condition is tested. When condition is true, then body of the for loop is executed. So body of the for loop, if more than one statements are there, those statements are included within open and close brace. But if only one statement is there, no need of the open and close brace. So when condition is true first time, print f statement print the programming is fun on the output screen and /n brings the cursor in the next line. After printing this one, control variable I is updated, that is incremented, and condition is tested again. If condition is again true, again printf statement is executed. So in this way, depending on the condition, programming is fun number of the time till condition is true. Then get ch, hold the output screen and return 0, as we know, tells the operating system that everything is going okay. Now let us run this program and take the value from the user. So before running the program, generally we compile by clicking the compile menu, and from the drop down menu we select the compile option. So here in compiling window, no warning and no error is displayed. It means that no bug is present in the coding. So we can run the program, and when we run the program, see on the output screen enter n. So this n is declared how many times we want to print programming is fun on the output screen. Suppose here we enter the 4 and press the enter key. Programming is fun, programming is fun, programming is fun, programming is fun, displayed 4 times. Now go to the coding window by clicking any key on the keyboard and again run the program. If we this time enter 10, then programming is fun displayed 10 times. So in this way, using for loop, we can write a program to provide the output as required in the question. Programming is fun n times, where value of n is provided by the user.